Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on 2/3, 2/3. 2/3 is the most common not quite 1 answer in maths, the fraction that turns up whenever someone says about 2 out of 3. By the end of this, you'll know how to prove 0.6 recurring equals 2/3 exactly, and where 2/3 quietly drives probability and ratio questions. Quick identity check. 2/3 is positive. 2/3 is rational, a clean fraction. As a decimal, it's 0.66 recurring forever. As a percentage, it's about 66.6%, and it's the natural partner to 1/3. Add them together and you get one whole. So anywhere a third pops up, 2/3 is usually right behind it. Multiples of 2/3. 2/3, 4/3, which is 1 1/3, 6/3 equals 2, 8/3, 10/3, 12/3 equals 4. Every third multiple of 2/3 lands on an integer. The ones in between are recurring decimals. Keep them as fractions in your working and convert at the very end if needed. 2/3 is exact. 0.66 is an approximation. Powers of 2/3. 2/3 to the 1 is 2/3. 2/3 squared is 4/9. 2/3 cubed is 8/27. 2/3 to the 4th is 16/81. Notice the pattern. Numerators are powers of 2, denominators are powers of 3. So 2/3 to the n equals 2 to the n over 3 to the n. Useful for geometric sequences and compound growth questions. 2/3 in disguise. Take 0.666 recurring, call it x, then 10x equals 6.666 recurring. Subtract x from 10x, 9x equals 6, so x equals 6/9, which simplifies to 2/3. Any decimal ending in 6 recurring is 2/3 of an integer in disguise. The same conversion trick works on every recurring decimal. It's pure GCSE Higher mark territory. Key relationships. 2/3 equals 0.666 recurring, which is roughly 66.6%. 2/3 plus 1/3 equals 1. 2/3 times 3 equals 2. 1 divided by 2/3 equals 3/2. 2/3 squared equals 4/9. And any geometric sequence with ratio 2/3 shrinks to 0, useful for sum to infinity work at A level. Where 2/3 shows up in your exam, probability questions with 2 out of 3 outcomes, recurring decimal to fraction conversions, 0.6 recurring equals 2/3, ratio simplifications, 4 to 6 simplifies to 2 to 3, geometric sequences with ratio 2/3 converging to a finite limit, and fractions of fractions. 2/3 times 2/3 equals 4/9. Where 2/3 hides, anytime data is structured 2 out of 3, any geometric series with ratio 2/3, very common in real-world depreciation questions, and the recurring decimal point, decimal 0.66. If a calculator answer looks like 0.66 and you can't quite see the pattern, that's 2/3 in disguise. Convert it before you write the final answer. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.